In the tissue manufacturing industry, the tissue fabric is coated during the converting stage with products called lotions. This is done with the aid of spray coaters or roll coaters. In the laboratory, we simulate the spray coating process using an automatic sprayer. This is fitted with an air atomizing nozzle supplied by a firm called the Spraying Systems Company. The sprayer is located inside a booth, fitted with an extraction system. The lotion is fed under pressure from a steel container to the nozzle. This video shows how single-sided coating is done. First, the tissue is weighed on an analytical balance. This allows the exact amount of lotion coated onto the tissue to be determined after spraying. The exact settings on the automatic sprayer are also noted. These settings will have been determined earlier by using colored lotion to produce a balanced spray distribution. The weighted tissue is attached to the metal holder by magnets. The ready-to-use LIOSIL TS lotion is filled into the holding tank. Roughly 200 milliliters is needed. The pressure is applied in the holding tank and adjusted with the aid of a manometer. The higher the pressure, the greater the amount of lotion that will be coated onto the tissue. The operator switches on the sprayer and then leaves the booth. If double-sided coating is required, the process is repeated for the second side. Afterwards, the coated tissue is removed and weighed. The amount of applied lotion can now be determined, with the area of coated tissue being used to calculate the grammage in gram per square meter.
Wacker, creating tomorrow's solutions.